The article I did my graphic organizer about is titled Writing Across the Curriculum. It is written by Stephen Fay. The key points I picked out are centered around the main idea, why write across the curriculum. Number one, the reason was written output is a great way to assess student knowledge. And we can assess in many ways, but of course writing is the easiest and very direct because we can see kind of what students are thinking or how they're thinking and how they're processing information. And number two, writing is the essential skill students need as they enter adult life. The article talks about how reading is very important, but society is really focused on, as far as our contribution to society, on what people can do with information after they've acquired it. So students need plenty of practice of the output of ideas as well. And number three, helping students learn to express themselves with confidence in all subject areas can contribute to improvements in behavior and self-esteem. The article focuses really on teenagers, how they can be very frustrated at that stage in life, and writing and expressing themselves can ease that frustration, helping them to be more in a learning state in school. Number four, students who write clearly think clearly. And that also talked about adolescence as well. Students have a lot of stress trying to get homework and things done, and students who are equipped to write well don't worry as much about schoolwork, so that lowers stress. And number five is just simply writing is power. Talks about how when people enter adulthood, if they don't write well, that they're handicapped because of the challenges of adult lives. So that it's important for teachers to show students what writing can do for them whenever it is done well.